Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by this one. Next, we have 1 over y to the power of 2 and first derivative of y over y to the power of 3. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y to the power of 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one, that is about this one. This one we change for v. Next, we multiply both sides by negative number 2. Next, we have v and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can see that negative number 6 next to v. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one goal here. And we have like this. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, that is about ve to the power of negative 6s. So the integration of this one, that should be like this. So negative number 2 divided by negative number 6, that should be about 1 over 3 e to the power of negative 6s. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.